Hello everyone, this is Discord Limited Tutorials Part 2, and in today's video I'm going to go over the new Share Nitro with Friends feature that Discord just added today. That's right, Discord added a new feature where you could share a 2-week trial with 3 of your friends for Discord Nitro. And it's completely brand new, it was just released today. Currently I'm on the Nitro tab. On the left side of the screen, right, there's the Friends tab, the Nitro tab, and the Shop tab. I'm in the Nitro tab, and as you can see, that there's a new option to share Nitro with friends, and you can select friends. There's a select friends option here. Now, take note, this is only for people who have Discord Nitro Premium. So the people that currently, like myself, are paying monthly for not basic Nitro, but for the Premium Nitro, which I believe is $10 USD. They get the option to share a 2-week trial with up to 3 of their friends. Now, how do you send a trial to friends? Well, of course, all you have to do is click the Select Friends button, and then your friends list will pop up, and you could search a friend to gift your Nitro to. But, of course, there are a few rules with this new feature, and if we go to the Learn More section here, we can see those rules together. So let's go to the article here. We can see it was updated 4 days ago, but actually at the time of recording, about 20 minutes ago, it actually said 3 days ago, but it was just updated today. So we can see that there's this new Share Nitro section here, and here we go. So it says, Nitro members sharing a trial. You will not be eligible to send Nitro trial if you are on Nitro Classic or Nitro Basic, which once again is, I'm pretty sure, the $3 or $5 USD plan, which is the cheaper Nitro plan. And you cannot send it, or if you're on another trial or discounted offer plan. So you can't be on a trial of Nitro and then be able to gift someone Nitro with that trial. You have to be paying for it yourself, and then you will get that option. Now, there are a few rules in terms of who or which friends you could send it to. In the gist, though, they basically can't have an active Nitro membership, and they can't have had one in the last 30 days. They also can't claim it if they've already received a discount or trial offer in the last 45 days, or if they have redeemed a trial in the last 3 months. As you can see, it also says here that if they have received or accepted a Share Nitro trial before from another user, then they cannot accept another one. But it doesn't count the one from the previous year. So basically, if they accept a 2-week trial, let's say today, and then 2 weeks past the trial is over, they won't be able to claim another 2 weeks from another friend. Now, how do you share the Nitro trial? Now, if you go back to Discord here, how to share it, of course, is you click Select Friends, you search the friend you'd like to do, click the check mark, and click Share Trial. If your friend does not appear here, then your friend does not, they're not eligible based on one of these following rules here. But if they do appear, then they're totally eligible, and if they are eligible, they'll get a message down here, and it'll look just like this. So it'll say your name or your friend's name, and it'll say here's a referral for free Nitro trial, and it'll say the name who gifted to you, and it says they gave you 2 weeks of Nitro, and then whatever else, and there'll be a start trial button here on the bottom left corner, as well as an expiry date. I believe the expiry date is 10 days once you send it. So it's they have 10 days to accept the trial before it's returned to you. So once you send out the trial, you have to wait 10 days. Here we go. Yeah, if not redeemed in 10 days, you get the trial back. So once you send it, you cannot get it back. You can't unsend it once you send it unless they don't redeem it for 10 days. Now, how to redeem your 2-week trial. I'm going to make a very important statement here. If someone sends you the trial, obviously make sure it's legit. Of course, right here, it's not a link, it's not a file or attachment or program, not a QR code. It is simply an actual UI button that will pop up on Discord. There's no link involved, nothing else. It's sent from Discord itself, so it'll look just like this, but not from a link. So once you get this, obviously you have to accept it, but of course you need to have billing information. Now, not everyone has a credit card on hand, or PayPal or whatever. So I suggest if you have any prepaid cards laying around, that you use that. A prepaid card is like a Visa card or whatever, just anything like that. Or if you have an online prepaid card, there's many prepaid card apps. You can simply use any of them, and you don't have to worry about being charged because they'll just be declined anyways. And you don't have to be worried about being charged after those 2 weeks of Nitro. Of course, if you have a card and you don't really mind, of course you could use that. If you do use a payment method that has money on it, of course you could always cancel at any time in your user settings, and then in your subscriptions tab. If you go to your subscriptions tab in your user settings, there will be an option where it lists all your current subscriptions, and it'll show the cards that are linked to that subscription, and there's always a cancel button there, and you can click cancel to cancel a subscription. It won't cancel, of course, your current subscription that you're on, but it will cancel your payments following. So if you're thinking of trying Nitro and you want to get Nitro for free without paying, Discord doesn't do this, or it's been a little while since we've had another free Nitro sort of limited time deal. So while this probably short time lasts, I would try and find a friend or someone you know that has Nitro that would be willing to give you a 2-week trial for free. In that case, though, that'll be the wrap to this tutorial. Please leave a like and subscribe, and please leave a comment below on other Discord tutorials you'd like to see in the future. I do love making these, and I do want to share as much experience as I know for my last 6 years in learning in Discord. So anyways, I'll see you guys in the next one. Hopefully this video helped, and get that free Nitro. It's free. Come on. See you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.